Hi, Hakan here from Web News team and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to use WooCommerce to sell tickets to your events? Stick around till the end of the video and find out how the Woo Integration Addon can help you with that. Like all of our add-ons, you have to first install and then activate it. Next, let's head to the settings. Now under Booking, click on Payment Gateways. Before covering the options added to MEC with this add-on, namely the Add to WooCommerce Cart option, I'd like to explain the difference between using MEC's payment gateways instead of WooCommerce as a payment system option. When we select this option, it will disable all other MEC payments gateways, and when we save our changes and head to an existing event, payment options such as Stripe and PayPal are no longer available. We're only able to add our tickets to the WooCommerce cart. Aside from payment gateways, other features are also affected, such as price per date and coupons. This is because WooCommerce take over the payment gateway. But with this add-on, if you choose Add to WooCommerce, you'll have access to multiple payments gateways while not causing any interference with other MEC features. Let's refresh the event page and see how the booking process has changed. Have this payment locally, Stripe, PayPal, and the new Add to Cart payment option. This way, the ticket can be added to a cart and later paid through WooCommerce. Let's head back to the settings so I can cover the rest of the options. The first two fields are related to the text shown on the button. The third option allows you to determine what happens when a user clicks on Add to Cart, whether you're sent to the cart page or checkout page. If your theme allows it, you can choose the optional buttons as well, but I recommend strictly choosing between the two redirect options. I'll leave it on Redirect to Cart. The next option is self-explanatory, and I strongly recommend that you enable it. It lets you sync the status of MEC and Woo orders. Well, if the status is on pending, the MEC booking will be labeled the same as the Woo pending statuses. Same for confirmed and rejected statuses. Best to leave these as is. The next three options deal with taxes and fees. With the first one, taxes and fees assigned in MEC are added to the cart. The second option lets you remove WooCommerce taxes. And the last option adds standard WooCommerce tax to a cart. Let's leave them disabled for now and save the changes we've made. Now, back on the event page, let's run through the booking process. Add this to the cart. The ticket is now in the WooCommerce cart and it has a VAT as well, making the total ticket $358. In the most recent version of WooCommerce, you can now use shortcodes instead of blocks that are added by default. To make the most from the WooCommerce add-on, use the WooCommerce cart and check out shortcodes on your pages. To do this, we'll need to create a page and give it a title. Let's go with Cart and add the WooCommerce cart shortcode, and another page for checkout. I have previously made these two pages called Checkout New and Cart New. As you can see, these two pages look different from the default WooCommerce page. For these new shortcodes to be used with MEC, you'll need to head to the WooCommerce settings, area. And then under Advanced, you can add the newly made pages for the relevant field under Page Setup. Now, our cart page will show the new cart shortcode, and the ticket now includes more information such as event title and email, which is more advanced than the original block-based cart page. Let's proceed to checkout and place our order. Our ticket has been booked successfully. It shows all the relevant payment and event information, including the attendee list. Let's track this order back on our website. To do this, click the Orders menu under WooCommerce. The ticket status is currently in process, and in MEC, the new bookings confirmation status is also on pending. This is that handy sync option that we had selected during the configuration. Let's change the order status to see how it changes in MEC. Choose Completed and update the order. Now, back to the MEC booking. As you can see, the confirmation status has changed as well. That was it for the WooCommerce Integration Addon. It's very useful if you want to keep track of your MEC bookings from WooCommerce, or give the option to add tickets to a cart rather than having to individually check out each event. Hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to reading your thoughts and comments about the add-on and/or products down below the video. See you in the next video.